Hi and welcome back to Dorset Dreamer. So today we are in Tintinhull Garden. So it's just a small gardens. It's only 2 acres, but apparently it's very pretty. So I'm told. So we're just gonna have a little look around, and we'll go from there. I think it's definitely an age thing, isn't it? Like National Trust. I can't imagine many teenagers, maybe I'm just being stereotypical now, many teenagers would have said, oh, let's go and look at some history in some old gardens, or just gardens actually. Oh, he's pretty. Yeah, maybe I think it's definitely a thing that comes with age. So peaceful here. Also, I don't know about you guys, but the sound of water I just find really relaxing, just listening to it. Yeah, really peaceful, quiet. It's the sort of place that you could just come, bring a picnic, bring a frisbee like that other little family are doing, and just spend an hour or two, or however long you want, really. There's people are going that way, so let's go this way. I wish I knew what half of these flowers were called, you know. Maybe I should start looking. The prettier they are. Again, this lovely gravel noise for you. Look at these. It's gorgeous. Also, I keep getting asked if I've got an Amazon wish list. I haven't. It's not something that I've ever really considered, because I just don't know if I like the idea of asking strangers for things. But yeah, maybe it's something that I will consider in the future. I do keep getting asked, so yeah, I might think about it. I just don't know how I feel about it, if I'm honest with you guys. I do this channel and this bit because I want to. It's a hobby. It's me just getting away from stuff, work mainly. So don't really see why I should, but you know, I may in the future. So if I do, I will let you know. So those who have been asking, you'll know. Look at that water lily. Zoom in on that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just so pretty. Again, like I said, this vlog is going to be a little one. because it's only a small gardens. But I thought while I'm here, we might as well have a little look. Yeah, lovely little grass picnic area if you wanted to bring the kids and have a little run around. Right, well, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and lovely. Yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day and the sun is shining where you are. Until next time. Mwah!